my friends. Yesterday we started chapter number 2, that is whole number, and we also saw some example of exercise 2.1. Today we will continue that. Question number 7. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole numbers is on the left of the other number. On number line, also write them with the appropriate sign between them. Means you have to write that which number is on the left side. Left side means which number is smaller. Why? Because on left side the numbers are smaller and on right side numbers are increasing. So from first pair 530 and 503, which is on number line left side. Call number left side have the number that is smaller in the pair will be on left side. So 530 and 503. You can see 503 is a smaller number. That's why it is on left side. So 503 is on left side. And what is the sign between them? 530 is greater than 503. Okay, this is the greater than sign. Next example, 370 and 307. Which one is a smaller? 307. So it is on a left side on number line. And what will be the sign? Again, 370 is greater than 307. Same C and D you need to write by yourself. That will be in your homework. Okay. So the numbers are given for C and D. Next question is question number 8. Write true or false. So first statement is 0 is the smallest natural number. Is it true or false? Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 to infinite. It is start from 1. So 0 is not there in a natural number. So it is false. 0 is the smallest whole number. So whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinite. So yes, it is true. Whole number start can be 0, 3. So 0 is the smallest whole number. All natural numbers are whole number. But the natural number whole number ma hoy? Yes, whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 to infinite, and natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 to infinite. Means all natural numbers are in whole number. So it is true. All whole numbers are in a natural number. બધા whole number natural number માં છે? No. Why? Because 0 is not there in a natural number. So it is false. Next, the predecessor of two-digit number is never a single-digit number. The statement is કોઈ પણ two-digit નો number હોય તો એની આગળનો number ક્યારે one-digit નો હોય નહીં. It is right or wrong? You can consider the example 10. 10 is the two-digit number, but its predecessor એની પહેલાનો number કયો છે? 9. That is single-digit number. Means it is false. One-digit number होई શકે. 1 is the smallest whole number. Yes or no? No, because 0 is the smallest whole number. So it is again false. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. Natural number is start from 1. So 1 has no predecessor in a natural number. So it is true. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. Whole number start from 0 means 1 ni આગળ 0 આવે. So it is false. Next, the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. 11 and 12 વચ્ચે 13 આવે? No. So it is false. Whole number 0 has no predecessor. So it is true because whole number start from 0. So there is no predecessor of 0. So it is true. 400 is the predecessor of 399. 399 ની પહેલા 400 આવે? No, it is the successor of 399. So answer is false. 600 is the successor of 599. 599 પછી 600 આવે? So it is yes, true. Okay, last The successor of 2 digit is always a 2 digit number. जो 2 digit નો નંબર હોય તો એની પછીનો નંબર always 2 digit હોય. It is true or false? We can consider the example of 99. 99 is a 2 digit number. એની પછી શું આવે? 100. 100 is the 3 digit number, so it is false. We will learn properties of whole number. Which property we will learn in this topic? Closure property, commutative, associative, distributivity of multiplication over addition, and identity for addition and identity of multiplication. Okay, so first, closure property. What is the closure property? Closure property means if we add two whole number, जो બે whole number નું addition કરો અને આન્સર whole number આવે તેને શું કહેવાય? ક્લોઝડ ઓવર એડિશન. જો બે whole number નું સબટ્રેક્શન કરો અને આન્સર whole number જ હોય તો એને શું કહેવાય? ક્લોઝડ ઓવર સબટ્રેક્શન. So here we need to check properties for a four operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so first addition closure property. In closure property first we will check for addition. So બે whole number, 7 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number. Answer is equal to 10. બંને નંબરનું એડિશન કરો એટલે આન્સર શું આવે? 10. 10 is also whole number, means this is closed over addition. One more example, 5 is a whole number, 7 is also whole number. Answer is 12. Answer 12 is the whole number, means બે whole numberનું એડિશન કરો તો આન્સર whole number આવે. That's why you can say it is closed over addition. Means addition કોઈ પણ બે whole number નું whole number જ હોય. Now we will check for subtraction. First is 7 and second number is 4. We will subtract them. Answer 3. That is whole number. But if you change the number, બીજો કોઈ number લો, for example 2 and -8. If you subtract whole number 2 and whole number 8, you will get -6. Why? This is the concept of integer. -6 is integer, not whole number. જો તમે smaller માંથી bigger number subtract કરો તો answer negative આવે, and that is not a whole number. That's why it is not closed over subtraction. -6 is not in whole number. -6 whole number માં આવે નહીં. That's why it is not closed over subtraction. When we can say this satisfy the property, કોઈ પણ group of number property satisfy કરે છે કે નહીં, કેવી રીતે કહેવાય? When the operation is true for all number, બધા જ નંબર માટે operation true થાય તો જે property satisfy થાય છે એવું કહેવાય. Here for 7 and 4 it is true, but for 2 and 8 it is not true, so it is not satisfying the condition. Okay, next we will check for multiplication. 2 multiply 5 is 10. 2 is whole number, 5 is whole number, 10 is also whole number, means multiplication is closed over multiplication. Why? Because you can also check 5 multiplied 100 is 500. If you take 0 here, then 5 multiplied 0 is also 0, and 0 is the whole number, so it is closed over multiplication. Now we will check for division. We select two number, 6 and 3. 6 divide 3 is 2, but if you take the number 1 divide 4, that is 1 by 4, and this is not a whole number. 1 by 4 is a fraction. So one more example, 3 divide 0. If you take two number 3 and 0 and you perform the division, answer is not defined because denominator cannot be 0. That's why it is not closed over division. Division માં જો બે whole number લીધા હોય તો answer whole number જ આવે એવું જરૂરી નથી. It can be fraction or it can be not defined. That's why it is not closed over division. Now commutativity. We will check for addition. So here first is, what is commutativity? Commutativity means you can change the order. Order means here first example 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. If you change the order, 4 plus 3, that is also 7. One more example, 15 plus 6 is 21 and 6 plus 15 is 21. If you change the order, answer remains same. તમે order change કરો તો પણ answer એનો a જ આવે. That's why you can write a plus for whole number. Now we will check for division. Here 0 divide 3. If you divide 0 with any number, answer is 0. But if you perform reverse operation, 3 divide 0, that is not defined. Okay, that's why division is not commutative. Division માં તમે numbers change કરો, એના order change કરો તો answer same આવે નહીં. That's why division is not commutative. Commutative. Next property is associative. Associative means you can change the group in addition and multiplication. So we have to check that is it possible for a subtraction and division also. Okay, so first we will check associative property for addition. First, here we will take three numbers 3, 2 and 5. First we will perform the addition of 3 plus 2. This is the group. Associative means changing the group and checking the answer. So here first we will make a group of 3 and 2. First two number, that is 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 5 10. Now we change the group. 2 plus 5 we will perform second and third first. 3 plus into bracket 2 plus 5, that is 7 plus 3 10. You can see both answer are same. So you can write a plus into bracket b plus c is equal to into bracket a plus b is equal plus c. Means in addition you can change the group. If three numbers are there, then you can add any two number first and then add third number. Okay, કોઈ પણ ત્રણ નંબર માંથી બે નંબર તમે એડ કરી શકો. So we can write it is associative over addition. Now we will check for subtraction. Again we select three number 3, 2 and 1. We perform the subtraction of first two. 3 minus 2 is 1 and last minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we will perform the second and third first. 3 minus into bracket 2 minus 1. Number એના એક છે પણ એનો group change કર્યું છે. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 as it is. So 3 minus 1 is 2. You can see both answer are not same. તમે change કરો subtraction માં group તો એનો answer different થઈ જાય. That's why a minus b minus c that is in a bracket is not equal to a minus b that is in a bracket minus c. Means subtraction માં bracket change થાય નહીં. That's why it is not associative for subtraction. Next, multiplication. Here three numbers are there 2, 3 and 5. We will perform the multiplication of first two. 2 3s are 6. Multiply 5 is 30. Now we will perform the multiplication of these two. 2 multiply 3 multiply 5, that is 15. 15 2s are 30. Both number are same. Both answer are same. It means you can change the order in a multiplication. You can change the group in a multiplication. Multiplication માં કોઈ પણ group change કરો તો ચાલે. In a division, here I select three number 16 divide 4 divide 2. So first we take a division of second and third. 4 divide 2 is 2 and 16 divide 2 is 8. Now 16 divide 4. Next time I perform the division of first and second. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Divide by 2 is 2. Both answer are not same. Means in a division you cannot change the group. So division is not associative for division. Next property, that is distributivity of multiplication over addition. We will understand this property with the example. What is the distributive property? Okay, here one example is given. 6 multiply 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is in a bracket. You can say it is said multiplication over addition. So if we perform this kind of example, whenever there is a bracket in a question, you need to solve bracket first. So here bracket is here 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Then we multiply with 6. 6 8s are 48. So answer is 48. Now if we open the bracket, means 6 is multiplied with 5, that is 6 5s are, plus 6 is multiplied with 3. So it is called distributivity of multiplication over addition. Means this 6 is multiplied with both number into the bracket. મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય. So 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18. If you add this number, answer is 48. Both answer are same. One more example. 2 is multiplied with 7 plus 5. First we will solve the bracket. 7 plus 5 is 12. And we will multiply 2. 12 2s are 24. Next, 2 is multiplied with 7 first, and after that 2 is multiplied with 5. Addition of both multiplications. 7 2s are 40, 2 5s are 10. 40 plus 10 is 24. Both answer are same. So you can write A multiply B plus C is equal to A multiply B plus A multiply C. Means તમને બે નંબર આપ્યા હોય અને એની સાથે કોઈ થર્ડ નંબર તમે બે નંબરનું એડિશન કરીને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો કાં તો પછી બંને નંબરને સેપરેટલી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીને એડિશન કરો, આન્સર સેમ જ આવે. We will use this property for solving the example. કેવી રીતે એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરવાના છે એ આપણે જોઈશું. ઓકે, this is known as a distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now very important topic, identity. Identity means for addition 6 plus 0 is 6, 0 plus 48 is 48. કોઈ પણ નંબરમાં 0 એડ કરો તો એનો એ જ નંબર આવે. That's why 0 is called additive identity. This question can be asked for MCQ or blank. કોઈ પણ blank માં પૂછાય તો what is additive identity or additive identity is blank. So it is 0. Why? Because if you add 0 in any number, it is same number. Same for multiplication. Multiplication માં કયા નંબરને 1 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરું તો એક નંબર આવે, that is all number. 5 multiply 1 is 5. 1 multiply 38 is 38. Means 1 is called multiplicative identity. If you multiply any number with 1 to get same answer. That's why 1 is multiplicative identity. 0 is additive identity. Both answer question can be asked in blank or MCQ.